best part of the road now.
Yep. Watch out for that stone.
Hi everyone. Join us today as we explore Magaguadavic Lake. Boulders, beaches, and hopefully finding a dam. We found some really calm water and a breeze picked up and a little bit of waves and a little breeze to keep us cool. Really beautiful day at Magaguadavic Lake. Come explore with us. Nice.
I've been waiting for this feeling that I have with you. I've been searching for a love that makes the old feel new. All I ever needed was a love.
Good day for it, eh?
Oh, beautiful day. Gotta take advantage of it.
Right.
Water's so calm and that.
It is super calm. It's really nice. Yeah, it's nice and clear. I like it.
I said you're just putting her in high gear here. I was just going medium gear. Cool how it's boulderly along the sides, but it's sandy on the bottom, eh?
Yeah.
It's weird. Welcome to Magaguadavic Lake, home of the several islands. It's a big lake. My God, it's big. A really rough.
Oh, look at that beach.
The whole thing is full of beaches.
That's nice.
It's just boulders and beaches. It's cool. We are exploring boulders and beaches today, and pine trees and animals and whatever else we find, and islands. There's lots of islands. There's a dam down here we might get to, and it is a beautiful day. I like it here. And there's no boulders under the water, which is great. Like Spednick Lake where they sneak up on you and all of a sudden you're like up on top of them. That's another nice beach. Wow. Yeah. Holy Lord, look at that boulder.
Yeah.
God, it's bigger than the car.
It's gotta be like left behind by glaciers, right? Like,
Oh yeah. Yeah, this whole area is just one big boulder field from glaciers.
because they're not over on that. Oh no, there's some over there too.
I don't understand why there's none under the water though, like Spednick Lake. Huge.
That is a big boulder.
It is a big boulder. Wow. Look how high the water usually is. Oh my God, we're down like 3 feet. That's crazy. I love this mix of rocks and beaches. This is awesome.
It's like a beach that's not normally a beach.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it's getting pretty shallow in here.
Yeah, it is. I say we head for the big boulder. Cut her around. Might be alright to go in there in the regular year, but she's pretty low right now.
Oh no, there's rocks all over the place in here.
Yeah.
Cool.
Lots of mussels. I've seen lots of mussels this year. I wonder if it's a good year for mussels or I'm just in places where I see mussels.
I don't know the story about mussels. I can make something up if you want.
Yeah, make up a mussel story. Tell me how the dry weather creates pristine mating opportunities for the mussels.
Oh, actually, I was going to tell you how the mussels got here.
Oh. Do you think they came in on asteroids or something?
No, so like the seagulls pick them up from the ocean
Oh, they do actually.
and drop them here and they just
And then they multiply. I wouldn't want to be out here on a windy day, but
no.
I think this is my new favorite lake.
It's got a hot tub and everything.
Nice.
I want to come and stay here.
I know. Okay. Talk me into it. Ooh, there's some big boulders under the water. I can't believe nobody's out here.
No. Oh, there's some people in some kayaks.
Oh my god, we're not the only ones.
Other people in kayaks.
Oh my god, where are they coming from? We found friends. Ooh. They look like friendlies.
They look like friendlies. Is that
Yeah.
what you said?
Yeah. So relaxed. So quiet.
I love it. Best day ever.
Nice.
It's awesome.
I'm glad. It hurts my ears, it's so quiet.
I'm afraid to breathe because I'm like, it makes noise.
I know, it's crazy. Not much for wildlife, but that's fine.
Oh, there's lots of seagulls over there.
Yeah, there's lots of seagulls around. Oh, it's not quiet at all, I just popped my ears. I'm just kidding.
You're crazy.
I am crazy. Sorry for your luck. Is that a seagull?
Yeah. Oh, there's geese like scooting across the water or something down there. There's a whole bunch of them.
I think they're geese. Hey, cormorants. Oh, it's a loon.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Should have figured. So which way is the dam?
Straight, like down to the left there. Yeah, it's down at the very end of that long cove. Holy, there's the wind. There's the wind. Where did that?
Too soon about the wind.
I know. Where did that come from? The wave took a while to get across the lake after that initial wind.
Another nice big beach up here. There's everywhere.
Oh, the wind's at her back now.
Yeah.
Not good.
Pushing us out here. I think it'll switch directions but it's up to the back. Those clouds are just gonna go that way and it's just gonna be like
See it yet. It's right there somewhere.
oh god, there goes my paddle.
Yeah, it's definitely changing a bit.
It's only one dark cloud.
Yeah.
One big dark cloud. That's all.
That's nothing. Stay tuned for how the weather turns out.
It's only one black cloud. It's fine.
I go say like that. For sure. Let's go see the dam.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
playing in my head. I don't have much regret, but I keep remembering that cold Friday that you left. It's gonna get better, better, better.
I don't know which way to go around the rock.
I'm gonna go to the right here. Where there's a little bit of a bigger opening.
Maybe don't go over that one.
Oh, I never even saw that one.
Oh god.
Good one.
Yeah, maybe I should put this
Come
up
on.
for a second for you.
Yeah, definitely gonna have to pull that up.
Yeah, there's lots of rocks right here. Lots of rock.
Yeah, we might not even get there.
Oh, looks like water.
Yeah. But not a lot of water. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, pay attention. Ooh, got one. Oh, wow. There it is. Oh, there is a train bridge below it. Oh, I thought I saw another bridge. Yeah, it's such a weird little dam, eh? Just has little slots in it. Train still goes through that, I think. I think that's still a legitimate train bridge.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah, it's a cool spot, eh?
I'm kind of floating into it, whether I want to or not.
Okay, so the wind's coming from that direction. We could protect it over there.
I don't know.
I don't know. I think we're gonna have to sneak up this side and like stay behind land as much as possible. That's what I think. Then we won't have to have the open crossing.
Stick to a bit of a deeper spot.
No, I'm gonna thread the needle.
I'm just going to hit that rock, face on it. Maybe
I'm gonna hold my breath. Made it! Woo.
I think it's because we talked about the water being so calm
Yeah.
that the water's not calming.
Yep, that's what happens.
But I keep remembering that cold Friday that you left. Hold on, it's gonna get better, better.
Makes for really moody pictures.
Moody pictures?
Yeah. The big dark clouds above you. Yeah, winter now.
I wanna be someone you're thinking of. Is that too much to ask? I wanna fall in love. I wanna be someone you're thinking of. Is that too much to ask? Come on, just give me a chance. Seasons change once again. Staring at our memories, hearing every word you said. I don't have much to add.
Pretty cool.
The sunbeams are just massive.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, see the nail I found?
Oh, wow. That's cool.
That's pretty cool.
I wanna fall in love. I wanna be someone you're thinking of. Is that too much to ask? I wanna fall in love. I wanna be someone you're thinking of. Is that too much to ask?
Taking a little break.
Yeah. That's it. Holy Lord. Oh my God.
Alright. I think I'm ready to do this.
I think so. Get out there.
Get out there.
Not wet enough yet.
Seasons change once again, staring at our memories, hearing every word you said. I don't have much to add, but you know I'm missing you. You're the best I ever had. I wanna fall in love. I wanna be someone you're thinking of. Is that too much?
Just the cove left it has, and it, well, it kind of kicks out, so it's probably protected on the far shore. Like it juts out on the other shore.
Yeah, sure.
You don't believe me? That's alright, I don't believe me either. Then we'll go for a swim and head her home.
I think we should eat at Denny's for supper.
We can, if you want. Not my idea of romance, but whatever works for you.
I'm pretty hungry.
Go.
I wanna fall in love. I wanna be someone you're thinking of. Is that too much to ask?
Stop sticking out.
Oh, it's like a conglomerate, is it?
Get it. It's got all little tiny rocks in it. And there's a tree growing on it too.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. See the little tree?
Oh yeah, look at that.
There's a
Weird.
little tree in my picture. Let me take it again.
Right off into the sunset.
Right off into the sunset.
Has that big giant boulder.
Hold on. It's gonna get better, better, better. Hold on to me. I wanna fall in love. I wanna be someone you're thinking of. Is that too much to ask? I wanna fall in love. I wanna be someone you're thinking of. Is that too much to ask? Come on, just give me a chance.
So, how far do you think we went?
Do you think we went more than like 6 kilometers or something, or no? Probably
I
wasn't.
know, I checked.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I always do. It's a good trick.
How much was it?
Over 10 kilometers.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I was
Pretty good day in
surprised.
4 hours. About 4 hours.
Yeah, probably.
That's what it said on my GPS.
Huh, there you go.
So, what'd you think?
That was really good.
It was really nice. Yeah.
It was-
A little bit breezy on the way back because it's a big lake, and we were at the far end of it, so we were catching all the wind. but
It was breezier than I expected on the way back, but
compared to the first, where it was not breezy at all.
it's glass and
Yeah.
the reflection on the water was really cool.
It was
But,
really nice.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
well.
a little bit harder work on the way back than I expected, but
Yeah, I can't
it's
lift
really
my shoulders. I don't know if I can drive, but
I can't move.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was beautiful. I
it
would
was really nice.
love
We
to
gotta
come
come.
back
We're
here.
definitely coming back here. Yeah.
Very, very
So
nice.
Magaguadavic Lake and public boat launch to the dam at the start of the river,
really nice.
which is a really nice run.
I loved it.
Yeah, it
We
was really
definitely
nice.
need to come back
really
to
nice spot.
Magaguadavic
Rocks and
Lake.
beaches. Like, how could you go wrong?
Rocks and beaches.
Yeah.
Very
Um,
cool rocks, very cool geology
Yeah, it was
of
really
the
cool.
rocks and the boulders.
and not a lot
It's
of
really
boulders under the water, which made it difficult to paddle. It didn't make it difficult to paddle because
neat. No, only in a couple spots, but
Yeah.
the water is really shallow in
yeah.
a lot of places. But yeah, really,
And now we've got to go to Denny's for supper.
I guess so. I'm so hungry.
Yeah. Okay. Let's get you
I'm
some
so hungry.
Denny's for supper. Till next time. Hope to see you on the water. Now we're excited for Denny's. Okay.
We should do the outros before we start, so we're way more
Oh,
excited
yeah.
about it.
Okay. Do it.
Like, that was the best. That was so much fun.
Yeah.
Like, we need to
It was really
absolutely
nice.
do that again.
Yeah. Until next time.
Until next time.
Hope to see you in the water.
Hope to see you in the water.